Kotachiwadi, a heritage of 300 years old, a part of our ancient culture, needs the attention of the Mumbaikars as the fate of this heritage is in trouble. Kotachiwadi, a beautiful village amidst the busy city of Mumbai, is located in the narrow-by lanes of Girgaon. With its Portuguese-style architecture, it has been a tourist attraction to many. There were around 50 to 60 bungalows earlier, but sadly it has turned down to a mere 25 or 26. Let us go on a journey of Kotachiwadi now. 300 years can surely witness a lot of natural disasters, but these disasters couldn't do much to this heritage called as Kotachiwadi, which was founded in the late 18th century by Kot, a Patare Prabhu. It gives you the imprint of Goan architecture with its alluring graffiti on the wall, bungalow with beautifully decorated veranda, wooden staircase, and a church which may bring you closer to Jesus.
Kotachiwadi is one of the oldest Gautans of Bombay, which Bombay was built around. There were 189. Kotachiwadi is one of the 189 Gautans.
Portuguese people were known for their eye-pleasing architecture and the way they decorated their houses, and this can be observed in the bungalows of Kotachiwadi. The chair table arrangement, the window curtains made of beads, beautiful chandelier, antiques of different styles, and a huge gallery with a pleasant view.
Kotachiwadi is a lovely place. Unfortunately, it's not lovely anymore because the Portuguese style bungalows have all been demolished. Most of them are getting demolished and huge buildings are coming up, and the charm is lost totally.
हमारे गली के बंगले बेच के गए हैं, उन लोग को किसको बिल्डर लोगों ने बेचा है, क्या बिल्डर ने उन लोग को फोर्स किया है, क्या कैसे किया है हम लोग को पता नहीं, लेकिन हमारा जो गली का मोल जो है पहला शांति था वो हमको मिलता नहीं अभी.
Greed can destroy a man's soul, but some builders, just to earn some extra bucks, are trying to bring down the beautiful area of Kotachiwadi to build skyscrapers, not much concerned about their soul. It is high time that people take a united stand against such an injustice and decide if we Mumbaikars need skyscrapers which may be beneficial to the few rich men, or we need to preserve this heritage for the coming generations who have the right to know about our rich culture. With cameraman Swapnil, I, Siddharth Menon at MRSC Mumbai.
I love you.